Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into another exciting update. It's riveting of me investing $5 every day into VOO. It's really not that exciting, but we're gonna go take a look at these numbers and check it out. I think it's interesting, and I think probably you do too. So let's check it out. So far, I've invested a total of, let's see here, $235 into VOO. That's $5 times 47. And to clarify, that is market days. That's not calendar days. You guys should know that by now. And I've got some exciting numbers here to talk about, I think. Currently, I own 0.474062 shares, which is roughly almost half a share, which I think is pretty cool. And the value of that is $239.06. So the percentage that I'm seeing of profits or gains is 1.48% this week. I will say last week we were seeing closer to 4%. I'll see if I can bring up my spreadsheet to show you that. But right now, that's a profit of, or a profit, it's a gain of $3.48, which isn't much, but it's only been 47 days, baby. So we got time to do this. So, plus I received a dividend of like 58 cents back on the 2nd of July. That's when VOO paid out their dividend, if you're wondering. And that might not seem like a lot, but over time, every little bit counts. We're gonna compound interest, drill it into your head. It's beautiful. And that was just the first one. That was the first 58 cents that I was able to reinvest that I didn't have to pay for. So I'm pretty excited about that. So if you're new here and you don't know what VOO is, let's kind of quickly talk about that. VOO is an ETF, an exchange-traded fund that tracks the performance of the S&P 500, which is a stock market index comprising of the 500 largest companies on the exchanges in the United States. So it's a nice little place to put your money. By investing in VOO, you're pretty much investing a little bit in a lot of things. So it's a good way to get a diversified portfolio in the top companies that are doing well. The idea is they do well, we do well. So we like that. These include things like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia's in there. If that's, if you're in there for that. It's a great way to get broad exposure to the US stock market within a single investment vessel. And that's why I like it. That's why I picked it as what I'm investing $5 into every single day. Hope you do too. I'd also like to talk a little bit about the magic of dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, like $5 a day, like I'm doing, I'm able to smooth out the highs and lows of the market. This means we're buying more shares when the prices are low and fewer shares when the prices are high. Ideally, hopefully that's the case. Last week, VOO was kind of like rushing up a little bit. So we were buying at a higher price and now they're going down, which is why my gains are looking a little low right now. But that just means things are on sale. And when it picks back up, we'll be in a better position. This strategy kind of helps to reduce the impact of market volatility. And you can lead to better long-term returns. It's a great way to invest without worrying about timing the market perfectly. Remember, we're not trying to time the market. We're trying to have time in the market. Or, it's about time in the market, not time in the market. If you've heard that, it's a very true statement. Check it out. And as I mentioned earlier, this is all about harnessing the power of compound interest. When you reinvest your dividends, like the measly 58 cents that I received in July, you start earning returns on your returns. So over time, this can lead to exponential growth of your investment. Think of it like planting a tree. At first, it grows very small, but then it gets bigger and stronger and harder to chop down. That's what compound interest does. We love that. All right, and to break down the numbers just a little bit more, the average cost that I've been seeing with my $5 investments is $496.94. But the current market price is slightly higher. Let me look at my thing. Yeah, the current market price at the close was about $504.51. So we're about we're about $8 under the current market price. But again, last week that was tracking at $517. So we were much lower with our average. but the current market price is slightly higher, and that's okay. This difference is what gives us our return percentage and what helps us get those compound interest. It's important to track these metrics to understand how your investments are performing over time. Remember, knowledge is power, and that's all you need. And again, I can't reiterate enough, dividends, dividends, dividends. We've only gotten one, but there's going to be more to go for a year for the next foreseeable future. So I received 58 cents on the second, I reinvested it. Reinvesting your dividends is a crucial part of our strategy because it allows our money to grow even more over time. Even small dividends can make a big difference over the long run. Every little bit adds up, my guy. And remember, we're only 47 days into this whole thing. There's like 262 market days in a year, and I plan on doing this for the next foreseeable future. So one dividend over 47 days, 58 cents, doesn't sound like much. VOO's always growing. The goal is just to keep doing it consistently. $5 a day, no matter what. Staying committed to your journey in investing is like the most important thing. The market's unpredictable, but the strategy is solid. Just keep going. You will do it. You will grow. You'll be good. You will love yourself. And I'll love you too. Sort of. And if you want to see bad investing, check out my next video about buying Pokemon cards. I know, it's kind of weird. It's cringy, but check it out. It's going to be fun. All right, I think that about does it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to. I'd appreciate it. Leave some comments. Let me know what you're doing. Are you investing in VOO, VUG, VTI? What do you do? What do you like? Do you like crypto? I don't know. Tell me what's up. And just stay consistent. Keep doing the right things with your money and you're going to have the right results, I feel like. I don't have a goodbye thing, so see you later, I